Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Disana Stegesia, and today I will present my statistical analysis regarding film genre preference based on survey result entitled Statistical Analysis and Personal Reflection based on survey result. Okay, let's start by discussing the background. Okay. The study of movie genre preference is significant for several reasons. Movies are not just a form of entertainment, they also reflect and shape culture. Understanding movie genre preference can provide insight into the differences and similarities in interests between different demographic groups, such as male and female. Additionally, analyzing this genre preference can provide valuable information for the movie industry, from production to marketing. Producer can use this insight to develop content that better resonates with their target audience, while marketers can adjust their strategies to reach different market segment more effectively. Okay, next. Our focus today will be on understanding film genre preference. This survey aimed to analyze and compare film genre preference between male and female, uh, and to identify which movie genres are most popular among male and female. Uh, we collected raw data by asking respondents to choose their favorite film genre from a provided list and then process this data to reveal some fascinating insight into viewing habits. So, my research question, what are males and females favorite movie genres? Is there a significant difference in movie genre preference between male and female? What are the most popular movie genres among male and female? What are the least favorite movie genres among male and female? Okay, let's move on to the data analysis section. Okay, so there are 28 respondents by collecting data through a questionnaire with the variable analyzed, namely their gender and their favorite movies. So you can see here, the chart on the left shows the movie genre preference chart for male, and the right shows the movie genre preference chart for female. In this chart, the numbers have been converted into percentage with different colors for each film genre, namely blue to interpret thriller, orange for horror, light gray for comedy, yellow for fantasy, light blue for action, green for drama, navy for animation, red for romance, and the last dark gray for musical. Okay. Pie chart movie genre preference for male. Yes. Action genre is in the top position with a percentage of 26%. This may be because male tend to be interested in adventure, fighting, tense atmosphere movies. Interestingly, for genres, thriller, horror, comedy, fantasy are in second place with the same presentation. Okay. Each at 13%. Next, we find drama and animation, which each get 9%. Then there is the romance genre, which is only 4% preference among male. As we can see, male are less interested in movies that focus on romantic storylines. Lastly, there is the animation genre, which does not show any percentage. It can be said that this genre is not chosen at all by male respondents. Next, in the movie genre preference pie chart for female. In here, uh, the horror genre dominates females' preference with the highest percentage, which is 28%. Yes. Although horror is at the top, the thriller and action genres still show quite strong popularity among female, with a percentage of 18% each. Uh, from the top three genres among female, we can see that female in the survey like suspenseful films. Uh, okay. Then the next group consists of four genres that have the same percentage, namely the romance, drama, animation, and fantasy genres, with a percentage of 9% each. Okay, lastly, there are the comedy and musical genres, which were not chosen at all by female in the survey. Uh, okay, yes. From the survey, we can see many people like suspenseful films, such as horror, thriller, whether it's male or female. Maybe because of the thrilling experience of it, the adrenaline and tension sensation experience when watching these films can provide a different and enjoyable experience for some people. In addition, these films also often trigger curiosity and self challenge to face fear. Okay, the conclusion. Overall, the survey indicates that although there is a clear difference in the most preferred genres, where male tend to favor action films, while female are more inclined toward horror films. There is a common ground between both gender in their interest in thrill, thrilling and suspenseful movies. Additionally, none of the female in the survey chose the comedy genre, suggesting that female in the survey are less interested in films that offer entertainment and lover. In contrast, 13% of male, 13% of male, yes, still enjoy comedy films. The genre with the least interest in the survey is animation for male, and uh, for female it's comedy and musical. Okay, uh, the presentation is finished. I apologize if there are any mistakes in word or sentence. Uh, Thank you very much. Bye bye.